So today I will demonstrate how to do partition of your C drive. When you purchase a new laptop, it has only one C drive and you have to do some partition for D, etc. For that, first of all, you need to go to the file explorer and then you go to the my PC, and from there just click manage. When you click the manage, this window will be open. It is called computer manage. Then you just go below and there is a storage space. You can see below the storage there is disk management. Click on that disk management. When you click the disk management, you can see this window will open. So here is the C drive, my only drive, which is almost 1 TB. I need to partition this C drive. I want to partition C drive to C and D so that I can store my personal data on D drive. So what I need to do, it's very simple step. Each and everyone can do in home. No need to take your laptop in the cyber cafe or to expert. It is very easily. You can see this video and you can easily understand how to do this. Just right click on the C drive and then go to the shrink volume. Just click it. So this shrink volume will create a new window or pop up a new window, you can see, and it may take some time based on your RAM and your processor, everything. Don't go anywhere. It is not at all freezing your laptop or hang, nothing happen. So it just takes some time to check the computer, to check by the computer whether available or not the space. Then this window will be open. So you see the first two row, no need to change because first two row is saying how much capacity is available. Then the editable portion, you can see the editable portion you need to type. So what you need to type, suppose I have 1 TB and in C drive I want to keep only 250 GB and D drive I want to keep 750 GB. So what I want to do, I want to convert this 250 GB into MB because you see everything is written in MB, so they will take MB. So 250 GB to convert to MB, so I will type 250 then 3000 based on your requirement, whatever you want. It is editable, it is in your hand. How much you want to allocate for C drive, how much you want to allocate your new partition drive or D drive or E drive, accordingly you can put over here. I can do based on my requirement. So it is very simple thing. And when you are putting, again I am saying, you have to remember that here everything is in MB, so you have to convert GB to MB. So I am just trying to do something and just putting the MB how much I want. So I am calculating because for me I need 250 GB of C drive. So here I will write 250 and 000. By doing that, it will convert or it will partition C drive in two drive. One is C and another is D. So let it type. So why I am deleting and writing, because I am calculating what exactly this partition will look like. Because if you allocate 750 GB, it cannot be 750 GB, it may be 740 something. So I have written 2500. So and then click OK. So then wait, again it may take some time, and now you can see this unallocated space is already established or already created, and it is showing around 750 GB. So this unallocated space I need to convert, or I need to give its name and file format, everything. You don't need to do any formatting, anything. So you just need to go there, this unallocated, right click, and then again you do just shrink. No, you click the new simple volume, and if you click the new simple volume, then this window will open. In this open window, you just need to click next. Then again you don't need to do anything because everything is done. So you just again click next. So when you click next, this window will come. So again there you don't have to do anything. You can allocate this name, whether E, F, G, whatever you want to say. For me it is D. So I just scroll down and select the D. Then I will click again next. So it is based on that. You can select E, F, G, and now here you have to put the name. And it is already selected the file format as a NTFS. Let it be NTFS. I don't need a FAT32 or something, NTFS, and I am giving the name as Arvind. So I am putting the name over here, and then I will click next and finish. It's almost done. Yeah, name is done. So now I have to go to next. Just click next. Then this window will open. You have to click to finish. finish, it's done. You can see this D drive has created with the name Arvind. So now we can again go back to files, and this pop-up also is coming. So again we go to the file explorer and we will check whether this drive is really created or not and what is the properties. So you can see this is the file explorer, and you can see there are two drive, one is C, one is D. So C is 250 GB, D is 750 GB. So let's check the properties of this D drive. So you can see, so that's done. I think I explained you. So please like the video, share, and please subscribe our channel.